Jeff Rook installing the Legend door panel Duratherm wall liner. I'm going to be showing you today the best ways to install it, the fastest and the quickest. And this is the driver's side. So I got one screw in here. I'm going to put the screw on the top first. Make sure my sides are lined up. Snug but not too tight. Make sure the sides are good. Put one in the side. I'm going to fill the rest of the holes with the screws. The last step after all your screws are in is to clip all the screw cap covers to create a nice finished look. Driver's side door panel, they have this little cutout right here for the lock mechanism. This little lever. So what you're going to need to do, it's already scored, but you might need to give it a little help with a utility knife, which is what I'm doing now. So make sure you get a nice clean edge on it. Now that should punch right out of here. Here we have the inner door handle. There's also a cutout on the bottom corner of this door panel that we need to cut off to fit around that handle. We score it a few times and it should come right off nice and clean. There we go. Do another test fit. Lines up nicely, and we'll start putting the screws in. Okay, this is the passenger side sliding door bottom panel. It's going to use plastic push-in plugs to hold it in, so it's going to line it up with the OEM holes. And it fits right in the outline of the truck, and we're going to have to hammer these things in. This cutout right here is for the lock lever, so you'll need to cut that out to make sure that you'll be able to access that. What I'm going to do is score it on the outside with the utility knife just to make it a little easier to push out. And now for the upper panel of the passenger side sliding door, line it up around the front handle and make sure it's straight with the body lines of the truck so it doesn't look crooked. And then we'll put a screw in the top side to hold it and double check to make sure it's straight. After you have it hanging, you're going to want to push the panel in so that it contours to the vehicle, and put the screws in the two side edges. So I got that one. I'm going to do this side over here. Make sure that it keeps the bow. Then I'm going to continue to finish filling in the rest of the holes around the perimeter.